What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get 15% off Temu with Cash App in just a few quick, easy steps. The first thing we'll do is tap into our Cash App application. And then we'll tap the top right corner to our profile. Next, we'll tap on Explore Offers. And in the search bar, we'll type Temu. It'll pull you up to this screen. It's 15% off at Temu, online only. You pay with your Cash App card, it's one time only, and your max discount is $5. Once you've decided you would like the offer, tap on Add Offer at the bottom. Once the offer has successfully been added, you'll see a check mark below the logo. Now all you have to do is shop at Temu with your Cash App card online and you'll get your 15% off. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope this helps you get your 15% off Temu with Cash App quickly and easily. If you found this video useful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more quick videos like this. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or ideas for future videos. I'd love to hear from you and I'll see you in the next one.